Okay, so what we're doing here is we're trying to add fractions when they have the common denominator. All right, as you know, the top number is called the numerator, the bottom number is called the denominator. Now, our goal here is to add these two together, okay? If they have the same bottom number, it's actually pretty easy, because all we do is we put the same bottom number over here, it's our constant, it stays there, and then we just add the top numbers. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now, we can also simplify this. What's 6 divided by 6? 1. Because 6 was in 6 one time. If you can reduce it, which is actually 1 over 1, which we know is 1. And that's your answer. All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, we got 5 plus negative 1 over 6. Okay, our denominator is the same? Correct. So it's still 6 on the bottom. And then we look at our 5 plus our negative 1. Okay, 5 minus 1 is 4. Can we reduce that? Why, yes, we can. We look for a number that goes into both of the 4 and the 6. We know 2 is even, so automatically we know they're both even. 2 goes into them. 2 goes into the top number twice. It goes into the bottom number 3 times. And then we're done. It's 2/3. Let's look at the next one. Okay, now you see how that negative's in the middle? That can go with the top or the bottom. It's a lot more convenient if it goes with the top one because that means our denominator can stay 6. So I just attach that negative to the 5. So we negative 5 plus 1, which would be negative 4 over 6. Now we reduce that. We know 2 goes into them. We got to keep the negative with it. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 goes into 6 3 times. And we're done. Same thing here. Okay, all they're doing is giving all the different options it can be if it's the same denominator. 6 is still the same. 6 stays the same. I'm not a good singer. I can't even talk well. Okay, negative 5 minus 1. That's a bigger negative, so you negative 6. Now, negative 6 over 6 reduces, because 6 goes into both of them. So we negative 1 over 1, and therefore our answer is just negative 1. Okay? Now, let's look at adding fractions without common denominators on the next video. Dun 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 dun! Hey, Tyler here. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out tarveracademy.com.